Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to the science class. We were studying lesson number 9, the human body. Okay? And this is part 6. So children, in the last part we have seen about the skeletal system and the muscular system, right? So today we will learn about the digestive system. Okay? So children, first you all know we need energy to do various tasks in our day-to-day life, right? And this energy comes from the food that we eat. Okay? Food is very essential for all living organism to live. Right now? Yes. The food we eat cannot be used directly by the body in the form of what it is eaten. Right children? Now tell me, do you get energy in the few minutes after eating a food? Yes. Do you get energy in a few minutes or in a few hours after eating a food? No. Now let's see why it happens. Okay? So children, the food we eat is not be used directly by our body. So the food we eat that needs to be broken down into a simple substances or into a small and simple pieces. Okay? And that to be absorbed by the blood. Okay? This process is called digestion. The food has to be broken down into very small and simple pieces. This is called digestion of food. Okay? Yes. Now about digestive system. Yes. Many organs that work together in digestion process. Okay? Many organs work together and help in digestion. So set of organs that help in the process of digestion forms the digestive system. Okay? Or we can say the food is digested by a group of organs that form our digestive system. Okay? The main organs of digestive system of our body are mouth, then food pipe, stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine and anus. Okay? So children, first I will tell you the food enters from the mouth and goes to the food pipe. After that it goes to the stomach. After that it goes to the small intestine and then large intestine. Okay? And then waste come out from the anus. Okay? Now we'll see each part in detail. Yes. This is the picture of the human digestive system. See, you can see here it has mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Okay? Now let's have a look on these organs one by one. Okay? So first is mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Okay? In fact, the digestion starts before you take your favorite food. Like for example, if your mother places your favorite food in front of you. So first, when you see it or when you smell it or when you imagine the taste of the food or taste of the meal, at that time the saliva comes in your mouth, right? So the process of digestion starts in the mouth. The food is first chewed well by your teeth in the mouth. Okay. Then the teeth break solid food into a smaller pieces. Okay. The teeth break solid food into a smaller pieces. Then our tongue. Okay. The tongue help in mixing saliva with the food, and then chewed food is swallowed. Okay. Then it travels through the food pipe to our stomach. Yes, food pipe is the next organ used in the process of digestion after mouth. So, the chewed food is swallowed and travels through the food pipe to your stomach. Now, the food has passed on to the stomach. Okay? Yes. So, food comes from the mouth and it comes from the food pipe and to your stomach. This is your stomach. Okay? Yes. Now, the next organ used in the process of digestion is stomach. Now, the food has passed onto the stomach. The stomach is like a thick bag made up of muscles. Okay? The stomach is like a muscular bag. The stomach releases digestive juices. Okay? The inner layer of stomach releases digestive juices. Here the food is mixed well with some digestive juices and made into a liquid. Okay? Here the food is mixed well with some digestive juices and made into a liquid. A part of digestion takes place here. Yes, children, this is a picture of a stomach. Okay? If you see in the picture, it will look like a letter J. Yes, this is our stomach. Okay, it looks like a letter J. Yes, then about small intestine. Okay, the mashed food is then sent to the small intestine. Here it further get digested here. Okay, and the digested nutrients are absorbed into the blood. Okay, see children, what happened in small intestine? The food, the mashed food, okay, get digested here, and the digested nutrients are absorbed into the blood. Okay, can you see? This is the picture of a small intestine. Okay. Yes. Now, the food that cannot be digested reaches to the large intestine. Okay. The large intestine absorbs the extra water and carries it to the kidney. Okay. Yes. Then the remaining semi-solid waste is then thrown out of your body through the anus. Okay. Yes. Can you see this in blue color? It is a large intestine. Okay. Yes. Yes. So children, again I am repeating the whole process. Okay. Here first, the food is first chewed well by your teeth in the mouth. Okay. That is shown in the blue color. Okay. Digestion starts here. The chewed food is then swallowed and it travels through the food pipe to your stomach. Okay. The stomach is a thick bag made up of muscles. Here the food is mixed well with some digestive juices. Okay. And made into a liquid form. A part of digestion takes place here. Then the mashed food is sent to the small intestine. Small intestine is shown in green color. Can you see small intestine? Yes. In the small intestine, the mashed food is further get digested and absorbed into the blood. The food that cannot be digested reaches to the large intestine. See, large intestine is shown in pink color. Reaches to the large intestine. Here water is absorbed and waste is then thrown out of your body through the anus. Can you see anus in the picture? Yes. So waste come out from the anus. Okay? Yes. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine form your digestive system. So children, what you conclude here? That the digestive system is very important part of our body. Without, we cannot get essential nutrients which are needed for our proper growth. Right now, the essential nutrients are needed for our proper growth and good health. Okay? So children, digestive system is very important. For that, we should eat healthy food so that it should get digested easily. Okay? So, I hope you understand. Thank you.